a dreamer she soared, a tiny bird longing her heart implored. Towards the river, her flight's desire, her heartbeat echoed a yearning fire. Little bird, thirsty bird, in her heart a gleaming dream stirred. The river's ripples, the music of breeze, a melody endless, her soul to appease. In every droplet, a sparkle she sought. In the sun's embrace, her solace was wrought. Each day she rose with new dreams to chase, her heart pulsed on with hope's sweet grace. Little bird, thirsty bird, in her heart a gleaming dream stirred. The river's ripples, the music of breeze, a melody endless, her soul to appease. Then she flew to skies untamed and wide, her dreams in colors, her heart her guide. At the river's edge, her solace found. The little bird learned life's profound sound. Little bird, thirsty bird, in her heart a gleaming dream stirred. The river's ripples, the music of breeze, a melody endless, her soul to appease. Then she flew to skies untamed and wide, her dreams in colors, her heart her guide. At the river's edge, her solace found.